Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're well. Something a bit new today. I'm going to be showing you how to clean this oven with nothing but a scouring pad and washing up liquids. But not really. I'm not going to make you watch that. Really, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be shooting these two crossbows and comparing them. These are the bolts for the baby. And these are the bolts for the big brother. But yeah, this one here is the adder. Bit confusing because it says Cobra on the front, and this one's called the Cobra. So they're both from EK Archery. Cobra versus adder today. So let's get to it. I haven't seen Frank in a while. People keep telling me to speak to Frank, talk to Frank. Yeah, let's go. So, Frank has some inappropriate thoughts sometimes. Don't you, Frank? Yes, you do. Come on. Don't get shy in front of the camera. Hey guys, not sure what you saw of that. Camera cut out then. But basically, what I'm saying is, before I start hitting the zombie with the crossbows and the pistol, I wanted to show you on a tin, fairly thick tin of pellets. I've shot it a couple of times with the pistol before, just make some dents. So I thought I'd show you the crossbows and the pistol so you can see roughly the difference in damage that an air pistol makes versus the most basic starter pistol crossbow, and then the one up from there. So here it is. Hopefully you won't get no ricochets. Yeah, I don't know if you can see there. Just basically put some dents in it, knocked it over. I put three more in the back. As you see, I'm not really shooting from far. That's better, you can see it better on that side. That one hit my belly. Yeah, it's got some divots, but if you have one of these, just a thin bit of tin as your body armour, you would be so thin, you would be bulletproof from this pistol. Alright, let's try. Try the crossbow, but we're moving back for this one. Now I haven't actually shot this since I've ordered, so it'll be the first time I look down the sight, so I'm going to be close to it. Okay, so you just got a little button here to load the crossbow. Just pull that back there, and then that locks back in place. So that's under tension now, so obviously you've got to add a load bolt. And I'm stating the obvious, but don't shoot a crossbow without a bolt in it, just that's called dry firing. You just knacker everything out by doing that, the shockwaves run through it. Okay, so ambidextrous safety. Just do it from the right or left. Push that forwards, it automatically engages when you load it. And I will aim, I'm used to the two-handed one, I will aim for the tin, although not all of it's showing from here. I hit slightly above, hang on. so I've got to shoot a bit lower. I wouldn't say it's easy to cock, but it's doable without really concentrating. But I'm a 16 stone weightlifter. If you're a kid or a woman, it might be too difficult. I'll get Matt to try it a bit later. Okay, try again, a bit lower this time. There we go, perfect. You guys on there. That's how far it went in. From about 9 foot, maybe 10 foot, and it went all the way through the other side. So, and the tip's fine. So as you can see, that air pistol, all that would go through skin, wouldn't go through the tin, and then this bolt just made mincemeat of that. You couldn't use that as armour. Probably only stopped going further because it hit the wood. So I'll try with the other crossbow, see what happens. Just check you guys can see a little tin. Alright. So, just in case you ain't seen this one before, little lock down here for the spring. It's already loaded, I always keep it loaded. And that is ready to go. I think that feels easier than the other one, even though it's a lot heavier draw weight. I think that's probably because it's got a lot of longer arm, obviously. So again, like the other one, ambidextrous safety. Click to fire mode. I don't actually have the sight on here. I need to do it where I can see it. I should have done a bigger target really, because the sight is still busted from last time and I haven't bought another one yet. So God knows where it's going to go. Pure guess. Too high. Right, I'm gonna forget shooting that can because it's going to take a while. But yeah, I'll show you the difference in devastation. So as you can see, the Cobra went quite deep, but you can still see the tip. Try and wiggle it out. There you go, it went that much into wood. And the adder, it's actually split the wood. It's a tiny little crack in there, you probably can't see it, but I'm not going to be able to get that out without drilling it. The difference in power is quite significant. So Frank, what are you saying? You feeling firm? Feeling hard? Frank's not scared of it, nothing. He told me once he lost his body, he just stopped caring. If it weren't for our long conversations, he would have ended it a long time ago. He just, I don't know, I think he just needs a bit of attention from time to time, but we're ready. Gonna give him some love. Love taps. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think the arrows, the bolt on the small one? I think the larger arrow is going to sink in twice as deep. What do you guys say before I go? Twice as deep? I do really like the sight for this, even though it's quite a cheap pistol. Pistol one. Going for his gob. Slightly. I might need to dial it in over the next couple of weeks. Okay. Okay, this is still loaded, obviously. It's repeating crossbow. So that's it, safety off, ready to shoot. Okay. I'll cut that one. So, we're doing it about there. Well, there you have it. Now, you're going to have any more inappropriate thoughts about eating people? Yes, just think about why we've had to go through this today. We will get you rehabilitated. Alright, last one. Tell you what, I'll put you guys a bit closer to the action. Got someone else shooting a shotgun in the background, which is obviously better than a crossbow, but just so you can appreciate again the power of the crossbows. Oh shit, winning. That actually done a lot more damage than I thought it would. That's his first serious beauty spot with these other ones. Yeah, so hole. I mean, they're tiny holes, but they've actually gone a lot deeper than I thought. This stuff's hard. You know, like, you can really you can't do nothing to it. Alright, anyway, enough of that. So, how hard is it to pull out? Start with the little ones. That was in about that far. That's about that far. So I'll try and hold that one. Sorry, putting it in the wrong way. So you can see quite a difference, depth, and obviously the thickness and how hard it is to pull it out. There's too many innuendos to make rude jokes in today. I'm trying to keep it clean, but it's even that. She wants me to keep it clean. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to keep it clean. Oh, nearly lost the tip. Pulling it out. Okay. And this is quite interesting. Look how far that has gone in, that bolt. I'm not going to be able to get that out without drilling it. That is wedged, mate. Is that one coming out? No. So, another thing to bear in mind is, if you're going to get the small crossbow, the bolts are only about 50p if you buy a big pack. Bought 30 for, I don't know, 15 quid or something. 50p for a bolt, whereas these, the other ones, the most cheapest ones you can get are about 3 quid. You can obviously upgrade them. These ones with a blue, you can unscrew the tips with them and put broadheads, 2D broadheads, which are like razor blades, or bodkin tips, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get the portable drill out to get that out. But yeah, that is it. Let me know what you think. What would you be most interested in using? Obviously for self-defense, the pistol's not really any use. I mean, I'd rather have a baseball bat or a knife or something, but the other two, yeah, let me know. It's a long time, it takes a while to reload it, but as you can see, it still hits quite hard. Not like the big brother, but I'm gonna have to give the win, which was an obvious win coming along, to the adder. Hey guys, so it started raining. Wanted to do some more distance testing down there, but it's raining and I need to order a new sight for the big crossbow anyway, the adder. So what I'll do is, we'll do an update once I've been playing with them for a few months. We'll get Maz to see if she can cock it. We're going to test whether women could cock it as well. She's quite strong, but I do remember her struggling before, so we'll see. But, say bye, Frank. Come on. Everyone's tuned in just to watch you, don't feel like that. But yeah, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have some camping.